Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester. I want to talk to you today about, you guessed the asset. Guess it in your head right now. You've probably already seen the title of the video. It's Move, okay? Move has absolutely moved today, 14.4% to the upside. It's exploded here. It is pulling back for a retest. We're going to be talking about this asset right now. So, a bit of history about this asset, guys. It's actually rumored and proven here that Donald Trump, the president, right? He has apparently bought this asset with his wallets, okay? He's bought this asset with his wallets. He's slowly accumulating the supply here. Not really sure on the utility and what these guys actually do here, but it's got to be something good if Donald Trump's buying it, okay? So it's the first thing you need to know about Movement is it is an integrated network allowing developers to build blockchain apps with greater speed, security, and composability, okay? It's a Move VM-based layer 2, okay? And yeah, there's a lot of stuff actually going on with this asset. So yeah, I'm going to leave the link in the description for you guys to do more research on this. But you can see there is a lot of stuff to learn, and a lot of things actually going on with this project. But yeah, Donald Trump's apparently been buying this, and the chart has been reacting to that, okay? And that's why we did see quite a big spike when this thing launched, and we did see highs coming through of around 127 after that disgusting, dirty candle to the upside at launch. How big green that candle is. That's crazy. Well, it's blue on my chart. But since then, it's been trending down, guys, quite aggressively. But it seems that we've found the floor, okay? It seems we found the floor. The floor for this asset is hovering roughly around this area, around 40 cents. From there, it's absolutely exploded, testing all major moving averages here. You can see there's a clear trend line from this top side here, from the all-time high for this asset. And you can see resistance, resistance, resistance. Again, a bit more resistance there off major trend lines, major moving averages there. And you can see recently, today, we broke it. We broke it and closed above it here, guys. Very, very, very bullish here, to say the least. It's very, very likely that we actually see us hover around this sort of area. Maybe we get a couple of wicks to the downside here, just for people selling off this massive pump, but then it's very likely that we actually start a new trend to the upside with this asset. The reasoning for that is, guys, after such a massive pump from that initial launch, usually you have a sell-off and then you find your floor. You test that floor multiple times and then you find the breakout. The breakout is exactly what's happening right now, and this is why it's looking super bullish, okay? So definitely want to watch, add it to your portfolio, add it to your watch list on CMC, and don't miss out on this bad boy, okay? This thing is looking very, very strong indeed. Okay, I just clicked on my own watch list. Yeah, so let's move on from Move, and let's talk to you guys quickly about Best Wallet, guys. So Best Wallet is a Web3 wallet like MetaMask, like Phantom, but they are super unique in the fact that they've just launched a pre-sale, which other Web3 wallets don't host their own coins, but because they've got a utility, a super, super interesting utility where this coin and the ecosystem will support it. The utility is a contactless payment gateway that's actually linked to your phone. Okay, so let me explain this. So when in Western countries, you can actually pay for stuff using contactless payments using your phone. That's exactly what these guys are doing, but they're basically making it for crypto. So basically, you're gonna have your stable wallets in your Best Wallet in your phone, and you can actually pay, your stable coins, you can actually pay for your groceries, for anything, coffee, whatever you wanna pay with, whatever you wanna buy using contactless payments. You can do it with your phone, with your crypto. So it's a super cool utility, and the ecosystem is being basically supported with the liquidity of this pre-sale and the best token itself. This thing is predicted to go galactic, guys. Big style gains for this. Looking for around a 10 to 50x. I'm referencing Jupiter. Do you remember Jupiter Decentralized Exchange? When they launched, it was roughly around a $30 million market cap. And then with their audience and the marketing they got, it exploded to a $2 billion market cap. And these guys are already at literally like 100,000 users every day. So it's very likely that this asset is going to absolutely explode. Definitely want to check out. I'll leave the link in the description to this for you guys to go check out. Thank you ever so much for watching. Let me know what you think of the position on Move as well. Super intrigued to hear your opinions about that. If you found any value here, drop a little like. Again, thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.